Rajya Sabha has returned the Manipur Appropriation Bill 2025 and Manipur Goods and Services Tax Amendment Bill 2025 to Lok Sabha amid vociferous protest by opposition MPs over Special Intensive Revision (SIR) issue. The Manipur Appropriation Bill authorizes withdrawal of funds from the state's consolidated fund for the financial year 2025-26, while the GST Amendment Bill seeks to implement GST Council decisions, replacing the earlier ordinance. Opposition MPs who had earlier marched to the Election Commission headquarters and were detained entered the House during the debate, demanding that Leader of Opposition Mallikarjun Kharge be allowed to speak. They raised slogans against the SIR exercise in Bihar. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman accused opposition of speaking about Manipur but voting against its budget, criticizing them for disrupting proceedings on unrelated issues while state financial matters were under consideration. Despite protests and many MPs shouting no during the voting, both money bills were passed in the upper house through a voice vote and returned to the Lok Sabha.